Here I have OPPO R17 Pro. Let me show you how to enable here portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select settings. Here we need to choose other wireless connections and select here personal hotspot. So here let's enable your personal hotspot by using that switcher. The hotspot is creating right now. So now just enable and activate the hotspot. So here you can also tap personal hotspot settings, and here you can change the network name, security type, password, AP band and other stuff. Here you can also use the connection management, and here you can add somebody to a blacklist. You can also choose maximum connected devices and use some data restriction. That's it. To disable the hotspot, let's use the same switcher. And that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.